Here's how to add confetti to your MemberVault page. First off, create a custom confetti animation and generate the code to install on your website by visiting ConfettiPage.com. It's free. Click the black button that says Copy Code. Go to MemberVault and then on the main menu, click on Content. Now choose where you want to add your confetti. On this example, we will use Pages. Then, click on the relevant page you want to add the confetti animation to. In the example shown, we will use subscribe here-ml to go to the editor. Scroll down to go to page content and look for add layout block. Go ahead and click on it. It will add a block where you can choose what element you would like to add. Click on the drop down and then choose custom. And now click on add content. A new custom block will be added and then go ahead and click on the edit button right here. A box will pop up where you can paste in the confetti code next. This is what it will look like. Now, to paste the code you copied from ConfettiPage.com earlier, remove this text and then use the text shortcut Ctrl-V for Windows or Command-V for Mac to paste that code. Once you see the confetti code pasted into the custom code block, click on Save Block here at the bottom. Now, scroll up, then click on the preview link. This will open in a new tab, and you should see the confetti animation in action. And if you did all the steps I mentioned correctly, the confetti code will work. Congratulations! By the way, if you are using the free version, you will see the ConfettiPage.com branding appear at the bottom left. If you would like it removed, simply pay for a license to use it without the watermark.